good day. Today we'll show you how to use Puroma 150 ml essential oil diffuser. Untie the power cord. It's 180 centimeters. Lift up the cover. You can find the max line here. As there is no measuring cup come with it, so please do not add water exceed it. The power jack is on the side of the diffuser. Then connect the adapter to the diffuser. Add some water to the tank. Put the cap back on. There are two buttons to control the light and mist separately. First, press the light button. The light cycles through 7 colors. Each color has strong and weak mode. Second, press the light button. Now you can change color by per press. For your convenience, long press the button. You can turn off the light quickly. Next is the mist button. First press, turn on and set 1 hour mist working time. Second press, set 3 hours mist working time. Third press, switch to continuous mist mode. Fourth press to turn off the mist. Like the light button, long press mist button, the mist will turn off. The light and mist are separate functions. You have the option of just using the diffuser without the light, or just using the light without the diffuser, or let them work together.